Hi everyone, welcome to Mindful Crafts and More. I am Katrina. If this is your first time checking out my channel, welcome. Take a look at this video or any of my other videos, and if you find yourself inspired, please subscribe. Don't forget to hit the like button on this video though before you do that. If you are returning, welcome back. Thank you so much. I really appreciate you hanging out with me for a bit. So guys, today is a really exciting video, and if you've been following me for a bit, you hopefully have seen my recent video where I gave a huge congratulation tribute to a yarny friend of mine. That's none other than Priscilla of Distinctive Crochet. She has reached a wonderful milestone, and she has been a YouTube content creator for an entire year, and that is just awesome. So, to celebrate, she's decided to do a giveaway, and I was honored with the opportunity to participate. So I am so happy and excited to be able to share this with each and every one of you. It's called a 50 for Me and 50 for You giveaway 2021. So this is how it works. Each of us podcasters that she asked have been given the opportunity to participate and choose a name from our channel as a semi-finalist. We will then give that name over to Priscilla. She will do a drawing, and from there, she will choose the finalists. That's awesome. And not only that, each of us that are participating also get an opportunity to be chosen for a $50 gift card as well. So I am so appreciative of Priscilla and her husband for doing this. It's really, really exciting to be able to participate, and I am glad to be able to offer it to each one of you also. Now, there are some rules that have to be followed in order to participate. So, these are some general rules and some specific rules. Okay, so some of the general rules are this: you must be 18 years or older in order to participate. You must have a valid email address, and you have to be publicly subscribed to this channel as well as Priscilla's channel. All right. So you must leave a comment, and I will tell you a little bit later what I would like for you to leave in the comment if you want to participate. You must know that I am not responsible for any prizes. That's totally on Priscilla, um, on her channel, nor can I answer any questions related to the prizes. All those things should be directed to her. All right. YouTube and Amazon are not affiliated with this. It's solely Priscilla who is purchasing the cards and her husband that are purchasing the cards. All right. Um, and YouTube guidelines absolutely have to be adhered to. So all of those things are a must. They are really, really important, and there's no way around that. Okay. Now, you have to like this video and you have to leave a comment. You also have to watch Priscilla's video and also leave a comment on her video and congratulate her for this wonderful, wonderful year. Now, as you watch the video, she will tell you if you choose to participate, also from her point of view, to get a another opportunity. She will let you know what you have to comment on her channel, because it may be something different than what I am saying here to comment on my channel. There are also other channels participating, and you do have an opportunity, one opportunity, on any of the other channels that are participating. But again, you have to watch their video and you have to know exactly what the rules are on their video in order to participate. Now, what am I going to choose as a word? I'm going to say, I'm going to put it, show it on the screen, and you will see. Okay, you have to spell it exactly the way it is written. Okay, exactly the way it's written. Now, Priscilla is a wonderful, wonderful designer. She is a wonderful friend, and she is very caring, and she is so helpful. And I think you guys will just love her channel. So if you have not gone over there, please do. You will not be disappointed. In fact, what I am wearing actually is one of her designs. So if you check out her channel, take a look at some of her videos, and then come back and see me again and tell me exactly what you think. Okay? Um, she doesn't know that I made one of these because she hasn't seen it yet. So yeah. All right. She's a wonderful, wonderful person, though. And I'm just so happy that she is celebrating this 1 year anniversary. And I'm sure you guys will be also. Now, I'm going to do this drawing on March the 4th. Okay. And I will be drawing the semi-finalists, passing that information over to Priscilla. And she will actually do the final drawing. So I wish each and every one of you well, and I look forward to seeing you guys real, real soon. Bye bye now.